Oh, we jump into the next one. Oh, okay.
And this way. Okay, now we jump ship. Okay, listen. Oops. So,
Do you guys have any idea what we're doing? The guy just caught me there at that restaurant, seafood restaurant place. I was just walking around and he was like, "You want to go for this trip?" And I said, "Yeah, well, I was just walking around." So
Where do you come from?
I'm from Delhi, from India. Yeah.
Oh,
What about you guys? You're from Bangkok? Where in England, dude?
near London.
Near London?
Yeah.
I worked there for a while. In 2007.
there are very different kinds of boats. People have private small boats, motor boats. You know, there are bigger vessels, ships even coming in through this river. And though the canals are obviously smaller, and there is a system of waterways actually that they've made inside, because there are gates that they close to allow boats coming in and to maintain the level of water inside.
It's been moving like for quite a while now.
Hello,
Ginger?
Oh yeah, okay.
I'm going to row the boat.
okay, thank you.
see, as we saw today, there are also a lot of people whose backyards actually just are on the waterfront. I mean, on the canals, and that's quite cool to see. It's quite beautiful. There are a lot of greenery. There are a lot of trees. There are birds. So very interesting. I mean, one has to come and have a look at this, system of canals and waterways. It's very, very interesting to come and have a look. And then there are these boats. Basically, there are people on the river who are selling some things to eat, maybe some soft drinks, as well as some other small souvenirs. And that's quite interesting to see as well. And they even have some of these makeshift shops made on the canal, on stilts, and that's quite cool. So yeah, so that's something really enjoyable about this whole trip.